What's up, Destiny Tribe? How are you guys today? We are photographing our 7 months pregnancy photo shoot, Destiny Girl and I. For that I will be using the Canon EOS RP and with the 24-70 f2.8, maybe the Canon 85mm f1.8, which is my favorite portrait lens by far. I love that lens. And I'm sorry about my voice, okay? If you're new to this channel, my name is Diego Viasili. I'm a fashion wedding portrait photographer now based here in south of Brazil, and we make YouTube videos. Welcome to our channel. If you want to stay tuned, hit that subscribe button for more information. And I've been using the Canon EOS RP now for about 2 months, and I will be posting a lot of videos about this camera because I've been using, I like this camera, and I'm gonna tell you the truth, the pros and the cons about using the Canon EOS RP. And that's the just getting ready now. Let's have a look. Whoa, let me focus here. Okay guys, a little modification. We changed the light to the other side and I took off the V flat because I think it was bouncing too much light and I want a little bit of shadow on the right side of her face. Let me see. Yeah, much better. Much better. So again guys, we have one octabox which is 150 centimeters big with one diffusion inside and another diffusion outside, so it's double diffusion, which are the diffusions which come with the octabox. I didn't add anything. And the flash has 800 watts and the power is at 1 to 8 of power, and my camera settings at the EOS RP right now are 1 to 125th of a second, aperture 5.6, ISO 100, and I'm shooting out with the 24-70 f2.8 from Canon at 70mm right now. And the pictures are looking just beautiful already. She's beautiful. That's a beautiful pregnant woman. She went there to fix her hair. Let's shoot again. Did you guys like the shoot? It's just a simple light, one octabox, 45 degrees to your side. Sometimes you can place a black reflector here if you want more shadows, or you just take the white reflector off, and of course it won't bounce light back on your face, and you're gonna have a beautiful contrast. I'm really sorry about my voice again today. I got some cold weather here in the south of Brazil. And if you guys enjoy this kind of videos, please let us know in the comments below, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Until next.